Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Flxpoint Operations Platform My Inventory Management Review. Flxpoint Operations Platform is an inventory management service designed for businesses, particularly e-commerce sellers, who need to manage inventory across multiple sales channels and warehouses. It offers features like order management, automated purchasing, inventory syncing, and reporting. Their target audience seems to be businesses scaling their operations that need more advanced inventory management than basic spreadsheets. Their website provides details about their different pricing plans and the full range of features. Flxpoint emphasizes its ability to streamline operations and improve efficiency. They highlight the platform's automation capabilities for tasks like reordering and its integrations with popular e-commerce platforms and shipping providers. While they don't explicitly advertise no contracts, their pricing page suggests a monthly subscription model. They use a cloud-based system which allows for real-time data updates and accessibility from anywhere. Availability isn't explicitly mentioned, but you can likely request a demo or contact them for more information through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Flxpoint Operations Platform. Getting started wasn't as plug-and-play as I hoped. The initial setup required mapping my existing inventory data to Flxpoint's system, which took a few days and involved a bit of back and forth with their support. However, their support team was responsive and helpful in guiding me through the process. Once everything was up and running, navigating the interface was surprisingly intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of key metrics like inventory levels, sales performance, and order fulfillment status. I particularly appreciated the automated purchase order feature. I set up rules to automatically reorder products based on stock levels and lead times, saving me a considerable amount of time. The system was generally reliable, though I experienced a slight delay in data syncing between Flxpoint and one of my sales channels on one occasion. I contacted support via email, and they resolved the issue within a day. One minor drawback was the lack of a comprehensive mobile app, which would be helpful for monitoring inventory on the go. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed reporting capabilities, allowing me to analyze sales trends and optimize my inventory strategy. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options within the reports, but once I did, I found them extremely valuable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Flxpoint. While the initial setup took some effort, the platform's automation features, reporting capabilities, and responsive customer support ultimately made it a worthwhile investment for managing my inventory. That's my overview of Flxpoint Operations Platform My Inventory Management Review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.